Now we're on the beach.
Let's get the tent up, then you can go and change in there. Okay.
Look at this pretty little beach we found.
That's actually quite big.
It was raining a minute ago, but we're okay now. Let's go around that side and we've got like a little pool, which is cool. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna try out the water. Is it cold? It's a little bit cold. Wow, it's not like cold, but it's all right, I suppose. Oh, it does get deep, doesn't it? Quite fast. Quite cold. Quite cold.
Go steep over here.
No. Woohoo! Hey, look. Smile, we'll both be in the video together. Hello!
Guys, can you come into a deeper?
Oh no, because I've got shorts on. I need to keep them dry, love.
You can lift them up.
They won't lift up far. I don't think I can come any more than this.
It's enough trousers and shorts.
Yeah. Do you want to go in the actual water?
Yeah.
Two handfuls of sand. Yeah.
Doesn't this pattern look like sea?
It does. Alright, let's take a step into the water. The cache over there, I'm going to get in a minute. Is this colder? Oh, it's actually warmer. How does that work? Oh yeah. Oh!
It got wet.
I'm getting wet.
Get out.
Yeah, I'm not going to stay long. Let's just get a little bit of old footage of me do.
Oh no! Big wave.
It's very, 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 very pretty here.
Daddy, what's this big wave? It's going to come towards you.
And then we got Mum and John and I don't know, we can see Kieran. There's a crab down there, I don't know if I can get it. Is that him? There he is. Little crabby. He's huge, man. Oh, anyway. Little blue lagoon. Beautiful. There's a cache here somewhere, but I don't know if I'm going to get it because there's so many rocks. Beautiful. I've been all through that thing. Took the treacherous route and went down on there. Almost killed myself. Looked everywhere, just about to give up. A dodgy looking thing here. And yay. It's got no lid. It's still dry. Yay! Woohoo! Nice one. Very pretty here. Other part of the beach. Full of nudists. Anyway, I found what I'm looking for, I think. Very suspicious. Very suspicious indeed. Ooh, it's a big one. Oh, it's a big one. Nice. Nice and dry. Oh, need help with that. There it is. Hey. Oh, it's full of shells. Nice. Is that a travel bug? Oh, big travel bug. No, travel bug. Anyway, because it's a big one, I'm going to throw in a little mini compass, a key ring, and a badge. What happened to it? Did I just drop the badge? There it is. And the homemade badge. Ah, okay. There it is. Yay! Well, that was good. Okay. Bury this one because it's quite big. Yeah, cool.